In today's video, we are talking about fraction of a set. We are going to learn to find a fraction of a set of items using unitary method. Here is a demo. We have one group and two groups. We are going to split 8 cubes into 2 equal groups. We are going to use the first method, counting. Let's start. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. We have found that each group has 4 cubes. Let's try using method 2 to split the 8 cubes using unitary method. Here is one group. Here is the second group. We have a total of 2 units. We are going to split 8 cubes into 2 units. To split 8 cubes into 2 units, we need to find how many cubes is in one group. To find the number of cubes in one group, we are splitting 8 cubes by 2 equal groups. Split 8 cubes into 2 equal groups. That is 4 items in each cube. Each group, there will be 4 cubes. Each group, there will be 4 cubes. So, we can see that each group has 4 cubes or 4 items. We can also see that 1 out of 2 groups, 1 group out of the 2 groups of 8 cubes is 4. Out of 8 cubes, we are splitting it into 2 equal groups. One group has 4 items, 4 cubes. So half of 8 is 4. Demo 2. Let's split 12 cubes into 3 equal groups. 3 equal groups. and 12 cubes. Let's use method 1, counting. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4. So we can see that each group has 4 equal cubes. We have split 12 cubes into 3 equal groups. This is method 1. Now let's look at method 2. We are going to split 12 cubes into 3 equal groups by using unitary method. We have 1 group, 2 group, and 3 groups. So 3 groups means 3 units. We are going to split 12 cubes into 3 equal groups. So 12 cubes, 3 equal groups. To find the number of cubes in one group, we are going to find 1 unit. We are going to split 12 cubes into 3 equal groups to find the number of cubes in one group. So we split 12 into 3 equal groups. That is equal to 4. So we have found that each group has 4 cubes or 4 items. Let's group them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each group has 4 items. So we can see that out of the 12 cubes, we have split it into 3 equal groups, and 1 out of the 3 group is 4. One group out of the 3 groups that we have split the 12 cubes into contains 4 cubes. So we can see that 1/3 of 12 is 4. 1/3 of 12 cubes is 4 cubes. Now you try. Teachers will give you 15 cubes you are going to split it equally into 3 groups to find the number of cubes in one group. 3 groups. Split 15 cubes equally into 3 groups. Let's find the number of cubes in one group. Use unitary method. You may pause the video and teachers will give you time to try. Let's look how to use unitary method to split 15 cubes into 3 groups so that we can find 1/3 of 15. To find 1/3 of 15, we know that there are a total of 3 groups. 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups, and 3 groups represent 15 items. To find the number of cubes in one group, we are going to find 1 unit. We will split the 15 cubes into 3 equal groups. And that will be 5. So we have found that each group has 5 cubes or 5 items. So let's split the items into the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each group has 5 items. Now we have found that 1/3 of 15 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1/3 of 15 is 5. So, to solve this question, 1/3 of 15 refers to 1 group out of the 3 groups. The 15 cubes is split into 3 groups, and 1/3 of it is 5.